So my name is Julia, and I'm on the Designer Makers BA Honours degree course. So on this course we learn lots of different things, lots of different modules. We have 5 different materials that we learn. They are glass, ceramics, textiles, print and metalwork. One of my favourite ones is the metalwork, and that's what I've been doing today. So my classmates are a real mixture of different people. It's really nice because we've got a real sort of nice group of different ages, and sort of people who've come from different backgrounds. You might get people that have done this sort of careers before, or this sort of art courses before, but sometimes you get people in the course that are completely new to it, and it's their first time sort of picking up materials and working with these materials. So here we have sort of a lot smaller classes, and this makes some real positives in terms of the classes being a lot smaller. Means that we get more time with the tutor, we get more time with the materials. You don't have to queue up to use some of the tools in the workshops, so the facilities are a lot sort of easier to access without having to wait around. So the tutors here are fantastic. They've all got a background in the craft that they're teaching, and they're giving us lots of nice talks about what they do, what craft materials they prefer, and they're all really friendly and really approachable, and really down to earth. We sort of run a range of different competitions. The main one they run is a Pewter Live competition, which is run by the Tutors Guild up in London. And we have a chance to enter into the student category for this, and the tutors really encourage you to do this. You can either link it into your work, or you can do it as a completely separate element. This year, with sort of extra element to the competition, is that they're choosing 12 people to be chosen to be displayed in the V&A Museum for 6 weeks over summer, which is a fantastic opportunity. So my plans post-course, once I finish, would be to go on and hopefully do a master's degree, either at Brighton University or up at St Mark's College. So if there's anyone out there who's interested, or had a look at this course and is quite interested in doing it, I would definitely advise it's a good course to do. It's fantastic if you've got an interest in the creative sort of background and you want to really advance on knowledge of different materials, to get some sort of leadership in how to work with those materials. There's fantastic advice and tips here from the tutors. You get tutorials. First year you spend a whole year doing an induction into each different material and tools and how to do different processes. So it's absolutely fantastic course to be on if you're interested in making.